was attacked from all sides. Then they sent for a medicine man. What that medicine man made for them became the goddess of the city. Neighboring towns kept attacking, so the elders went out and they brought a medicine man. The medicine man prepared ọgwụ that is used in fortifying the fighters before they will go out. But he gave them one condition. He told them that this will only work if the entire community honors it, not just one person. And it worked. Awka was never overrun. So the honoring continued long after the war must have finished, until what a man made with his own hands became the deity a whole town honors. And her name is Imoka. Then the monkeys. A neighboring town came and laid the siege, waiting to attack. But there are monkeys in that forest, and my people know how to read monkeys. They have already seen it in the monkey before seeing it in the bush. So they turned around and beat those that came to attack them. And the story has it that Imoka sent those monkeys, and those monkeys are her messenger. Those monkeys alert the town whenever danger is close. So from that day till now, nobody kills a monkey in Awka and nobody eats it. And if you unalive one intentionally, you would fall sick. But if you unalive one by mistake, you'll be sent out of the community until the chief priest performs some cleansings. Only then will you be taken back. The festival comes every May, and that is what begins the new year in Awka, not even January. Then the women will come out and they will dance Ego Opoeke. The last day is for the men, and the prayer of the day is for the planting season and for the blacksmithing, because that is what Awka has always been. And one part of that festival is called Nro-Nta, where two groups of men face each other with cane. They will beat each other turn by turn until one group gives up. It shows what a man can take without running away. But today, young boys are abusing it. They now flog passersby and do things that are not part of the festival. And this is how these things die. When it continues like this until nobody remembers what this festival is initially meant for. And that is why I hold on to what is ours tightly, because a lot of it is being mixed up. And it's also the reason I've gathered over 1,000 of our Igbo names with the meaning and how to say them. If you want to hold on to a piece of what is yours, then the link is in the bio.